today we will make a video recording about the proofreading tool. Let's get to basic. And we'll start. So I think I will start with the essay. So from the first one is the outline. So I think that is from the introductory paragraph. So the problem is the first problem is he teach. So subject it's a subject verb. So because singular subject, he must use verb with s or so it should be teaches. Dapa everything. He teaches Dapa everything, and he calls him the twin Spider-Man. So he call is incorrect tense because he mainly use present tense. So the verb should also use the present tense. So it should be call. Yes. And next, do you find any problem in the first?
I didn't find in the outline. I just found in the paragraph.
The twin Spider-Man. So it's a capitalization error. It should be capital. Use capital right because it's nickname. It's twin Spider-Man. I think that's all that I can find in the
Maybe we move to the paragraph. In the first paragraph, I found the same mistake as last week. I think he forgot to change the.
Yeah, I found out same mistakes.
Yeah.
People, right?
Yeah.
Well, it should be person, right?
Person. So I thought he didn't change anything at all because when I first saw this, the first notice he didn't change. So I thought he didn't change all the things. So maybe he just forget in the first. So it should be there is one person and always be waiting for coming home. Incorrect English sentence order. So it must follow the English order. It is subject plus adverb plus verb. So the correct one is he always waits with F.
Yes.
Not with
Wait.
Yeah, waits for.
I think I found the same mistake like Wulan said before. The default should be a person and always he waits. I think the next line is he is my mother's sibling. I think it's a correct brother is general. Sibling is general because the person is male. You can still use but Dapa use it.
So what is the better option?
I think the better option is brother.
Oh, so
He is my mother's brother.
brother.
Yeah.
His brother. And then I found he is my mother's sibling. I mean the my. I think I remember that Mr. Hanafi said
Oh
you
yeah,
cannot use
you cannot use my, me, or I. In the
first person, but we should write in the third person. So I think we forgot to discuss about this last week. So
I think I already said this to Dapa.
when last week?
Yeah, when we in a what?
In online
Yeah, online meeting. I think Dapa.
Yeah, so it should be he. How do we say it?
Dapa.
Dafa's brother. He is Dafa mother's sibling.
Yeah.
also. Could
Top
he
be
top
same
him?
level. Yeah.
Or maybe he top Dappa, or maybe he top him.
Yeah.
And then also I.
Yep.
And he maybe, and he called him the twin spider.
And then I think that's in the
Yeah.
I think most of
I think every I, me, mine,
the same. It's not different. Next is this is the second paragraph, right?
which one?
This one.
Since, yes. What?
Since Dappa was a kid, Harry always guided him. So I think the correct one is in many things. Harry always guided him in many things. It's the proposition about it is not suitable here. I think that's all from the second paragraph.
Oh, I didn't follow it.
Let's move to the next part. Do you find any problem?
In the first, no, I think I found in the below. You find in the first.
And Harry was young, like he was in senior high school, he always asked Dappa for everything. I think ask Dappa to explore everything with him. Ask Dappa to explore everything is unnatural expression. So it should be he always invited Dappa to explore many things.
Invited. I didn't get it.
Yeah,
Invited. It's not asked.
Next thing is he is very extroverted. So extrovert. So after wait. Oh, so after Ferry, we need an adjective of like extroverted. So he is very extroverted.
With
ED. Yeah. And this one is he always got first rank in his school. Right. So rank it's rank, right?
right.
So rank is like sounds natural. So we can change it to first place. First place is more natural. And then we can really like the always with Dappa. Oh, so Dappa is really bored when he was reading. So it's incorrect tense. So because the past and so because the event happened in the past, so we should use past tense. So it should be Dappa was really bored when he was reading.
Oh. He combined the present and past.
Yeah.
The Dappa was and when he was.
Yep. Next. Beside that, so is incorrect adverb form. Beside is the correct connector, so it should be beside with s. Beside, yeah. Without that, so it should be just beside. Harry is also blah blah blah. That's all I can find from the third paragraph.
I found another. Keep to pray Father.
Oh, and always ask him to pray for him.
Yeah, and then he's missing the prayer at the last Fajr, so it should be pray Fajr, prayer.
Pray Father prayer.
Prayer, yeah. Is it a better, sounds more natural? Then I found Jaffa went out to play to the toy store. So this is incomplete. It's better to combine it with the next idea to make one complete sentence. My suggestion is here. When Dafa went out with him to the toy store, he bought a new car. So after the store, he at Coma. When Dafa went out with him to the toy store, Dafa bought a new car, and then full stop.
Oh, okay.
So it's like a more clear sentence. And then on the way back home, become the first paragraph. So remove the comma and then use full stop, and then we change on the way back home. Jaffa on the way back home, comma, Jaffa's toy fell and broke. So we have two sentences here. I think that's all from the third paragraph.
I think on the way you change the sentence, right?
Yeah.
I didn't find any problem here. So the problem that I can solve here is a wrong article, but on the way back home. So it should be on the way, not on the way.
Oh yeah, okay, that's on the way back home. The first fell and broke.
Next he creates. So because the event happened fast,
Yes.
so it should be in a fast form, right? So it should be created with email. Next, that show how really responsible I was. So the problem is the funny thing that show how really responsible Harry was.
I didn't find anything.
So the problem is it is the incorrect verb form. So sentence use wrong tense and unnecessary. So it should be that showed with ed, that showed how responsible Harry was.
Oh, you should change into the what?
Passport.
Passport.
And next, the last mistake from the third paragraph is you and shelter Jaffa with. So it should be at S in the mid.
I found in the last paragraph, every character was positive. So after every character, we should add comma. After character was positive, use anyone, not everyone, to some pronoun. So every character was positive, comma. Everyone can be like him, especially Jaffa. So after him, comma, again. And then the last one is fan. It should be fan after.
It's pen, right? I think I just found three mistakes here. The first one is every character was.
Can I take a moment? So we move to
The last one is fine. Three mistakes. So the first one is in every character work. So it is incorrect choices. It should be characteristic. So it's more suitable for describing a person. So it should be every characteristic.
positive. Every characteristic was positive, comma,
Yep.
alright? Then,
Yeah, I think that's it for our problem. Next one is fans. Same like mistake that I said before. So it should be just fan, right? Without S. And the last one is same like the first paragraph in my life.
yeah, so he is the most important person in the past life. Like,
Third person.
person.
Then I think that's all.
Yeah, I think that's all. So we move to
Your same. So from the outline, I think I didn't find any problem here. The outline is clear and nice. Then first paragraph. I just find two problems here. So everyone wants every person that they respect. The problem is it is incorrect tense. Let's talk about the verb. So it should be used present tense. So it should be used respect.
wait. So, the first one is
Is respected. So it should be respect. Because let's talk about general class. It should use present tense. And next is why they. So it is incorrect question forms. So it should be add to. Why do they?
oh,
I think that's all. Then I'll go to the next one. I'll just explain here. So this one is he wakes up early in the morning, prepare breakfast, especially lunch box. So it will be parallel structure. So the sentence should be the same first pattern. So you should add a prepare in the before the end. So it should be prepare breakfast for the family and prepare lunch box for the youngest daughter.
prepare and
Yeah. Then the last mistake paragraph is she comes back home for the dinner without even complaining that she by the way, it is good, so you can make comments without complaining about being tired, being tired. So actually this is correct. You can make it
make it more.
natural. Then the third paragraph. She makes soup for the 6th child and takes with the child feeds the Yep. So there is missing possessive form. So people belong to the child. It should be used possessive form. Child with S.
Child with S.
Yes.
You already use it also.
Then last mistake. He is always the sentence incorrectly used is and I think you should have always in the it should be she is listening.
She is?
Listening. She because the pattern is subject plus verb one with S.
So just remove the always.
The next paragraph is first one is ask everyone to help make decisions. So it should be decision. It is a plural form. Yeah, so you should add in decision.
Decisions.
And next is I think it's a capitalization error. So this one. So it should be this. In addition.
Uh-huh.
And then last one it's she is always in court. So
Is the same with
yeah. You should you can just love and last and just find the mistake. First one is she is very thankful for her. So it is missing to be. So it should be at least in the middle of she very.
she is
She is very thankful. Yeah. Last mistake is she cannot be as. As is unnecessary preposition. You can use the as. This one. She cannot be as. She is. You can use the as. It should be she cannot be. She is well. That's all from your statement.
This is from boy.
right. We move to your essay. I don't know what happened, but I think I have some,
So mistake in the first.
yeah, but I don't know, the prince is not come out, so maybe, so we just move to, so in your essay, in the outline, I didn't find any mistake.
And I forgot to add. Last week you said before that I should add
More ideas.
more ideas in the outline.
You did,
I
you
didn't.
forgot.
Yeah, I forgot. I think you can just move to the.
In the paragraph 3, I found this. He always gets first or second place. I think in the last
Last meeting.
yeah, your essay has the, so he always gets the first or the second place. Why you remove the article the?
Let me said.
Like here, you can use blue here, right? What did you use blue? Yes.
Oh, I think
And now we want to take a drop. Beat up. You can end here. One that he is.
I'm not sure why
Certain.
I needed. I think yes.
Maybe I ask you to change to get not changing the first so you can add it back, put it back to the article, the first or the second place, and then but he only had one best friend. Last week I didn't find this is wrong, but now I found it. So remove it was to make the sentence more natural. So, but he only has best friend. So it's has yeah in the present.
It,
To keep the same sentence with become. So remove it was and change it with had. Okay.
so it should be, but he only has one best friend. Habib.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then Habib respects Fatur because Fatur has one best friend. And he never changed about his friendship with Habib. So I think you trying to say that your friendship will never be changed. But this sounds unnatural. Like there's something wrong. So my suggestion to make it clear and natural, use this and never change his friendship with Habib.
oh, wait. Never.
Never change.
Oh,
Never change
his friendship.
his friendship with Habib. Not he never changed about. So it's something natural. So the last paragraph says. How does he look? So this is the form of a question. So you didn't try to say that this is a question, but you try to say like saying something, but not a question. So if you say this, you should add a question mark.
Oh,
So if you do not intend to ask a question, just remove the doubt because that is for a question.
how he looks. Okay.
And how he looks. But it comes from oh, you need to add also, but also it comes from how Fatur is a person, but treats a person is unnatural. You can say how Fatur treats others, of how Fatur treats others, and the last one is how he treats Fatur. To make it sound more natural, use the way he treats Habib. The way, not how he. Just change it. The way he treats Habib. So I think that's all from your side. I didn't want any other.
Okay. Thank you for correcting my mistake. So, what happened to that?
He's sick.
Are you sure? I think yesterday he comes to the ESOC meeting.
But I have the same class with him in English literature.
Yeah.
He's like texting in the WhatsApp group of there's a docent, so he said that he's sick, and I'm also sick, so we both send message to the lecture.
Why he comes and it's an ESOC meeting?
I don't know, maybe he don't want to
Ah,
left me
So after this we will make a process analysis essay, right?
I don't know. So this today.
Yeah, today. So after our recording session, Mr. Hanafi will explain about the process analysis just a little bit, blah blah. Then in the last session we will make a process analysis. So do you know what process analysis?
I mean, I just know a little bit. Like it talks about how something is made.
So it's just like a tutorial.
Yeah, it's like a tutorial, but more scientific. Like how the rainbow or how the rain happens, and then how the storms happen, like something that scientific idea.
I remember this chapter. Yes, I think it's something is like it's same like the recently say like
Right?
the first one is
Introductory.
introductory. So in introductory, the first paragraph the first one is book, and then you can add something.
Some background information, right?
Information, and then the last one is thesis statement.
Yeah.
So the thesis statement is more like I don't know how to say it. I think it's like so the thesis statement will expand all the
Process.
yeah the process
Process of the topic.
yeah
Maybe the process of how the rainbow,
Yeah.
the rain.
I hope Mr. Hanafi didn't give a hard
Topic.
topic.
But I heard that in this exercise we can do like something to it also, or it's not.
Who said that?
Like I mean, in the first meeting with Mr. Hanafi, like he tell us about the procedure of what we will gonna do the semester with him. We write narrative, and then we write descriptive, and then we write the last one, and the last one I think, or as I remember, and my friends also remember, like Jessa and Macy, they said that Mr. Hanafi said we can do some research because in this essay we talking about the facts.
Oh, okay.
So we should make it clear. There's nothing. There's no mistake in how the process happened.
Okay.
Okay, can you just write how the
No.
something happened without searching?
Without knowledge.
Yeah, without knowledge. We need to like do some research.
Yeah.
But maybe he give us like 10 minutes or 15 minutes to find some how the process happened, write it at the safe before, and then the writing. I hope he will give us time.
Searching.
Yeah.
So. Now what? Can we talk about our BF? what is your?
about?
My novel is Norse mythology.
What?
Norse mythology. So,
What is it about?
you know Thor, Loki, Thor and Loki? No, the guy with the hammer. You know Marvel?
Oh, I know, but I didn't know what.
You know Avengers?
Yeah, I know.
And so Thor is the guy with a hammer.
Wait, what?
With a hammer.
Hammer?
This one.
Oh, the green one. Right, he's green.
No, that's Loki. Loki is the bad guy from the first Avenger. This thing, you know.
So it's about Marvel or about...
No, it's not about Marvel. So Marvel is have a reference from the. So
How many stories in
I think there's 16.
16 all of it?
Yep.
Oh, but maybe in one story it has many, like, many pages.
Yeah. This one. So I think this one is short.
Because I have 62 stories. 63 stories, like. Because I talk about fairy tales.
Oh.
Fairy tales.
So it is not in. So in this novel, there's so many fairy tale stories.
Yeah, but specifically it's from Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm, from the Grimm brothers.
Is it?
So basically it's about like a story that they how do I say that? They search.
Yeah, they search and then they write it.
Yeah, in one book.
Yeah, in
So,
one book. Yeah.
in this book we have 62 or 63 stories.
Got so many.
But not all the stories like have many pages. Maybe there's
Oh,
one
this
story.
is one page,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's right. So I mean, it's not
Too much.
so.
Which part you read?
So we have 4 members, right?
Yeah.
So
You
Jim,
divided into 4.
yeah, Jim read 1 to 16 stories. Then I'm from 17 to 32, and then yes, I myself. So like we have 16, 16, and 15, 15
Oh, okay.
stories.
Just too much, right? Mine also divided into 4.
4?
Yeah, but mine is from the first, from the players until the mimics and info. And to be honest, I just understand about the first chapter and the third chapter.
Why? Why you didn't understand?
Because I read it, I read it just in one night. Last night I read it, all the chapter that my part. So you
So this in each chapter, is it related to each chapter or not?
I think it's related to another chapter, I think, because it's like a story that have a connection.
So it's not related.
Yes, I think it's related. What do you mean related?
Like, I mean, all the story is not related.
Oh,
It's a different story.
oh, so it is the same story. It's like yes, something like that. The first chapter is talk about the 3 important figures in this novel. So it's Odin, Thor, and Loki, and then the next chapter will talk about the beginning of the world of the Norse mythology, and the third chapter is talk about the seed. So Yggdrasil is the trees of life, and then in the is Trees of Light. There is 9 words. It's Asgard, Alfheim, blah blah. And then I forget how to explain this one.
I mean, for my story, it's like in
It's not
every
related.
it's
It's a different story from each app.
Like we have Rapunzel, we have Hansel and Gretel. You remember Hansel and Gretel, and then Snow White, Snowdrop, and then like song of Disney.
Disney
Fairy tales
Yeah.
animations is from here,
Okay.
so it's different in every story.
So you really don't know what Thor.
So
Thor is a man with a red hat thing. You know.
I think I know them, but I didn't know the name because there's so many characters of the universe.
Marvel universe.
Yeah.
Thor is have like what helmet with like wings, wing things in the
Maybe if I saw the
picture.
picture, maybe I know him, but I don't know his.
You know Chris Hemsworth? Wait, you know Man in Black? You know Man in Black?
Man in Black.
Man in Black movie? You don't know it. What about? I forgot his film.
Actually, I didn't watch.
So many.
Not so many movies, but especially Marvel. I don't watch Marvel Universe or what's the other?
DC. What?
Like Spider-Man.
Oh, Spider-Man is Marvel.
Marvel. I think Marvel has like not another universe like similar with Marvel. What universe?
What?
What universe that's similar with Marvel?
It's DC.
Oh yeah.
So DC is like Batman.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't watch both of them. You know?
Very good.
Hey. I didn't watch any of them because the universe is more like
It's so complex. And
yeah, and it's a fantasy.
yeah, it's a fantasy.
So I personally I don't really like to watch fantasy. So I prefer to watch thriller.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, not the fantasy one. Maybe fantasy, not the universe, but only one. For example, the famous one is Interstellar.
Oh yeah, that's I forgot. It is a science fiction, right?
Yeah, science fiction. Yeah.
You watch Mel Perry? You know Mel Perry?
Oh, I know, but I haven't.
I think it's almost similar like in the
Yeah, have you last said that
yeah.
to me? I watched this yesterday.
With me?
Yeah, with you.
I think the film is like it's a song, but it is more have comedic things in.
Yeah, Fabiola said like you should watch it if you have time. Okay, I'll just watch it after this.
And it's fun to watch. Yeah.
Where is the Hana? 44.
I think he will come at 1 hour, but I'm not sure. Okay.
So you already finished your part.
Yeah, I finished, but the last chapter I don't really understand. And you know, Attack on Titan is based on the Norse mythology.
Oh really?
Yeah, you know Ymir from Attack.
Yeah, I know.
Ymir is from the Norse mythology. So Ymir is a giant.
Mm-hmm.
Like Attack on Titan. I think Ymir is like
I watched that, but only a few.
Theo.
Yeah, a few of them because there are so many
Yeah.
seasons. I don't know how exactly to say. You know how many seasons?
I don't remember. I think last time I watched Attack on Titan is like when I was in middle high school. I think.
Oh, you don't really a big
Yeah,
fan.
I'm not a really big fan of it, but I love the
Me too, but I watched because my friends
watch it. Yeah.
encouraged me to watch that, and I watched like maybe 1 or 2 seasons when I was yeah in the middle high school. So I know, but actually I'm scared of that.
What?
Scared.
Of the movie.
Not the movie, the series, right? It's like anime.
Oh yeah, anime. Because it's like so there's so much blood. You know what?
Yeah.
Gore, like
And then the monster.
yeah, the monster
Or
is
the
so.
giant.
I think it's Titan.
Yeah, the Titan. Like, after I was I'm thinking about that all day. And
Like-
then when I sleep, I dream of it.
Yeah. You get chased by Titan.
Yeah, I feel like I was chased by the Titan.
So scary, right?
Yeah. So that's why I didn't continue. But maybe sometimes.
And you know, Attack on Titan have the real.
So what others like famous series of movie that adapted from this show? We say
I think
Titan.
it is not just a movie. You know, God of War. You know God of War game. That's a game. You know Kratos.
What?
Kratos.
Highness? No.
So basically the game is talk about so much mythology. So I think the what is the game name? God of War. It's not talk about Norse mythology, but it is they talk about Greek
Greek mythology.
Greek
Greek.
Greek mythology too. Then the main character moved to the another mythology. Then the last game they moved to Norse mythology.
So this story is adapted to movie, series, and also a game. But I think this adapted into a movie. Yeah, mostly it's movie. There's no series. I think there's no series from this story, or even a game. I don't know. I think it's
So they say Rapunzel in the novel and in the Disney movie is different.
yeah.
So what is the difference?
I didn't read that. It's a by far.
Oh,
It's a Jim Park.
oh, that's the key.
Yeah, Jim Park is the rapper.
Because I think Rapunzel in the novel is more dark.
Yeah, I think so. But I can't explain because I didn't read that. Maybe
You know, in my novel it's like there is so many hard words that not all of people that can spell it. Like this one. Can you spell it?
No.
This is so
How
hard.
do you?
I think it's like Yggdrasil.
Yeah.
Yggdrasil.
Is it from what language?
I think it's like, you know, Viking.
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 It's Scandinavian.
Scandinavian.
Yeah.
Right.
This one, how do we spell it? Vigil.
So it's not only used English, but some vocabulary.
From the Scandinavian.
So mine is this.
Like this.
There is the hard one, but the hard one is in English, not in other language. Maybe
it
in
is.
English.
Yep.
This
But it is easy to understand.
not that easy. So that yeah. Sometimes I found some hard words and I need to search.
Like this one, how do we spell it? Wasir.
No.
I think I have.
So, who's in your group member?
What?
In your group member?
There is Aldafa, Adil, and Zidan. So Zidan is
Our senior.
Our senior.
Oh,
this one. It is hard to spell it. Can you spell it?
No, Joe.
German Wunder. I don't.
Is it even there's a meaning of it?
Also, German Wunder is the son of Loki.
The son?
Of Loki. Loki is a person.
Oh, of the characters
Yeah.
that you
Yeah.
explain.
So Loki have a three sons. This one is Jormungandr, Mimir, and Hel.
Mimir that the giant.
Yeah, Mimir is a giant. Mimir is wolf. Wolf.
Oh,
There's Mimir. Jormungandr is a snake. The big snake, and then
so
there's Hel.
they are like a family, but they have different like powers.
I think yeah.
What about the father one has what power does he have?
What Loki? So Loki, I think it's like Loki is giant. He is from a what is called in the frozen world. So Loki is Loki didn't have a power, but in the novel days, Loki is what is I think Loki is a bad guy. Loki is a bad guy. Thor is a good guy, and Odin is a blood brother from Loki. So there's no, yeah, something like that. You know, in the Marvel universe, Loki and Thor is a brother.
The brother.
Yeah, but in the story, Loki is not a Thor brother, but he is blood brothers with
So it's
Odin.
different.
Yeah, so it's different from me. And you know, okay, Loki have a three sons and three children. One is Jormungandr, Mimir, and Hel. So Mimir and Hel. And so Hel is in the Marvel universe is the son of Odin, the daughter of Odin. And then Mimir is a pet.
Pet.
It's Hela pet. You know,
Why suddenly he became
because you know
pet.
Mimir is a wolf. Yeah.
But actually, it's children.
Yeah, that's a little wolf.
In the movies,
It's a different. It's a, yes, I little bit scared with the PX class because I think Mr. Gino will ask us about
the story.
the story about our part.
Yeah.
It's like 5 more minutes left. So what is your part in this?
My part is fun, fun Pujol until the king. Do you have like new similar with the cycle? What
It's
which
just,
one?
I think it's just Hansel and Gretel.
Oh, only Hansel and Gretel.
So the story is almost same like the story that in the which class that we talk about Hansel and Gretel. Literary studies.
Yeah, introduction to literary.
Yeah, it's same like the literary studies class.
For Hansel and Gretel, I think it's the same.
It's the same.
But some of them, like other stories, like I found like it's a bit scary.
Oh.
Like it's described in detail about like the war. It's like explained in more detail.
Yeah. Did you finish all the
My
all your
part?
part?
Yeah.
Oh. And you understand all the part?
I think it. Like maybe there's one or two stories that maybe a little bit hard to understand. But I think the most important is we finish our part. No.
The important thing is finish.
Just finish.
Yeah, just finish our part.
I think we should finish. Understand or not?
It is what it is.
Then it's like three minutes.
So what will happen if Dafa didn't make the essay?
I don't know, that's what I'm thinking.
Fadil is still in class. Fadil and Dafa.
Fadil and which one?
I'm not sure. Fadil.
That's why I'm scared to not come to what for
You have a good choice. Fadil didn't know about the day that we will make this.
Salsabila, Nadia, Arif, Jim, Kamila, Mesela, Raihan, Reza, Al-Jafa, Hanifah, Naura,